Hey guys, Chris Ellis here with Forest River Cherokee. Today, we're gonna look at the 26 BRB. This is an awesome floor plan. I think you guys are gonna really like it. Let's check it out. In the 26 BRB, you're gonna have absolutely everything you're gonna need to enjoy a perfect camping trip. In the back of the unit, we're gonna have two super spacious bunks. They both have windows. We're also gonna include two USB ports on each bunk. In the kitchen area, we've upgraded to a huge window in front of the kitchen. We've also done upgraded countertops. We have a black stainless steel sink with a pull-out faucet. For more countertop space, we've included a glass cover top to our 3-burner stove. On the other side of our kitchen, we're gonna have a premium pantry. This is gonna give you the ability to store all of your items for your camping trip. Our refrigerator is an 11 cubic foot, 12-volt fridge that can be ran off electricity or our juice pack. Our juice pack includes a 100-watt solar panel with a battery disconnect and battery. The 26 BRB bathroom has its own exterior entry door. Included with a large sink, medicine cabinet, large shower with a skylight above to give you natural lighting and extra headspace, and a fantastic fan. Right when you walk into the 26 BRB, you're immediately greeted with an awesome U-shaped dinette that has a huge window in the back of it. On the other side of the U-shaped dinette is a big plush couch. This couch can be turned into a sleeping area as well. What makes this floor plan so unique and so great is that this is a great way for your friends and family to conversate. Over the couch, there's a huge window that overlooks your campsite. All of these windows can open up and bring in that fresh breeze and natural lighting. The entertainment area is so great. You're gonna be able to put your TV above your fireplace. Our fireplace is a 5000K BTU that has 3 different lighting modes. We're also gonna give you some cabinets for extra storage. In the 26 BRB bedroom, we have plenty of storage with overhead cabinets and closets on both sides of the bed. We even have outside and inside accessible storage from underneath the bed. On each side, we have 2 USB ports and 2 large windows. At Cherokee, we have an LCI One Control app. This app allows you to control your awning, your slide out, your lights, and see your tank levels all from your cell phone. You'll even be able to see your backup camera from this app. New for this year, we've added a new radio system. This is by Driven. Driven has its own app that's gonna allow you to pair your cell phone and control all your audio options. New for this year is our new vinyl floors. This goes great with our brand new maple decor. At Cherokee, our Cherokee and Grey Wolves come standard with a 15K AC. Outside area of the 26 BRB is gonna be an awesome time for you and your friends. We have an outside kitchen with a refrigerator and an ice maker. We're even going to have a quick grill connect for you to bring your grill and to be able to cook out right here. You're gonna be able to take your TV from inside, put it on the outside, and watch your favorite game or favorite movie. We bring the speakers a little bit lower. That way, it's gonna keep your sound at your campsite rather than going all throughout the campsite. At Cherokee, on every Cherokee and Grey Wolf, our flip-down travel rack, our spare tire, our backup camera, and our roof ladder prep are gonna come standard on every unit. One of our most highlighted new features is gonna be our new colors to our scratch-resistant Tough Coat metal. We've also added a new reflective tint to our windows. This is gonna be sure to set off every new unit. At Cherokee, every Cherokee Grey Wolf and Wolf Pup is gonna come standard with a power awning and a blue LED light. Thank you for checking out the 26 BRB. If you have any questions, please visit our website at forestriverinc.com/greywolf.